Today on Designing Spaces, creating a luxury mountain retreat with the help of Almost Heaven saunas and more. Discover how Spring's window fashions combine modern design, eco-friendly materials, and smart technology to enhance your home's ambiance. Plus, picking the perfect couch and tips from the experts at Frontdoor. Time to design. From valuable health benefits to elevated luxury, saunas can help you create a space that not only looks good, but feels good. Nick and Jessica have definitely taken that into consideration, as they've brought to life their own dreamy private getaway for couples. A lavish cabin that gives people the opportunity to escape and explore the mountains of North Carolina.
The inspiration behind it was I proposed to my wife at a couple's getaway up in North Georgia, and it was such a special moment for us. We had such a great time, but we thought there was some things we could improve upon.
We really wanted to build a place where couples could connect with each other and connect with nature. For me, I work a super stressful tech job. When I go on vacation, all I want to do is just like connect in nature, be in the present moment with my husband, and kind of just relax. So when we were putting together the concept for this cabin, we really wanted to embrace nature and embrace things that couples can do together and have a really good time. We actually, when we were looking for 5-star amenities to add to the property, we were really looking for products that were durable, that added a lot of value, that were low maintenance at a good price point. And that when we came across Almost Heaven saunas, they also had several other products as well. We actually got all of them. So it really, I think, helps complete the space and offer an amazing experience for our guests.
I'm so excited that you chose Almost Heaven saunas. Almost Heaven saunas has been around for about 40 years. We're manufactured in West Virginia, USA. And we are bringing the Finnish tradition of sauna bathing to the US. Here you picked one of my favorite saunas, our most popular. It's a canopy barrel sauna that also has nice seating for cooling off after a hot sauna session. Beautiful glass door. You can walk right in. It's fitted with a beautiful Harvia heater.
So what are some of the benefits of using a sauna?
Yeah, bathing has an incredible amount of health benefits and mental health benefits. From cardiovascular health, a lot of our customers sleep better. They say they're happier, more relaxed, helps with muscle tension, can even boost skin health as well. The benefits are numerous.
So one of the products we were most excited about that you offer is the outdoor shower. Can you show us a little more about that?
Yeah, I love the outdoor shower. So Almost Heaven offers a variety of products to complete your backyard oasis. This is our Ellipse outdoor shower. It comes with Onyx features. It's really easy to install. All you need is a garden hose and the water comes and you're cooled off. And it's just a beautiful element to enhance your outdoor backyard space. So this is our cold plunge. It's a perfect complement to any sauna session. Our cold plunge is made with rustic cedar. It has a steel line interior. It's a single person cold plunge, so a quick dip for a single person is great. It comes with one of our smart chillers here. You can adjust temperatures however you like, whatever you're comfortable with. This is one of my favorite products. This is our wood-fired hot tub. What that means is that it doesn't require any electricity, no gas. It's chemical free. All that it requires is that you put in some water, get the fire going, and within an hour or so, you have a wonderful, relaxing hot tub experience.
One of the reasons why we love this wood-burning hot tub is because there are no chemicals, no electricity and no gas. You're really just one with nature and enjoying what's in front of you. I think our guests are gonna love these products.
I totally agree. It's gonna be an incredible experience, and they're investing in their wellness.
And they're also reconnecting with nature and each other.
I love it.
Ready for your own slice of heaven? Visit their website, almostheaven.com, or ours, designingspaces.tv, for more information.
few months, we've been getting some great tips to help homeowners with their home repairs and maintenance using the Frontdoor app. It's an app that connects homeowners with live experts in real time. When you open the front door and video chat an expert, they can help diagnose an issue and even provide step-by-step DIY guidance to help fix it. It's your home repair expert right at your fingertips. Let's take a look. The Frontdoor app is there when you have those unexpected issues that pop up. Within just minutes, you can connect with live experts on video chat for personalized advice and step-by-step DIY guidance. However, once you know all that it can do for you, you're going to start including it in your regular routines too. Help winterize your home and home-related issues that can occur when the temperature drops. Check outdoor outlets and power for holiday lights. Repair your second oven that hasn't been used since the last family gathering. Getting the house ready for the change in seasons, make sure your AC and other home systems are ready for the heat. Check insulation to help with keeping energy costs down. Fix the ice maker that keeps making that buzzing sound. You can also give the gift of Frontdoor Unlimited, from housewarming gifts to holidays and more. It's a gift that is sure to come in handy for anyone with a home repair to-do list. The gift recipient gets 12 months of unlimited real-time home repair and maintenance help from experts. Get virtual home help from the comfort of your phone. You can download or gift the Frontdoor app today from their website at frontdoor.com. And remember, you can also find more information at our website at designingspaces.tv.
Custom window treatments aren't just about covering your windows. They can change the entire atmosphere of a room, from controlling light and privacy to adding just the right finishing touch to your decor. In short, window treatments can elevate any interior, and the Harris family is ready to do just that.
When Dan and I decided to upgrade our window treatments in our home, we knew it was going to make a big impact. We wanted something that was modern. We wanted something that was beautiful. I know he wanted something that was eco-friendly, and we wound up going with the layered band design, which I think is just spectacular because I'm able to control the light. We also included blackout shades for our living room because we get a lot of light in there, and sometimes that's really great, but other times when you're trying to watch TV, it just wasn't a good thing. So we needed something to black out all the light in there.
Tammy and I were looking around our house and realized all our shades were old and outdated. Half of them didn't even work. When we started looking, we wanted something that would sustainable, it was modern, it would make our house look better, and it would add to the value.
Dan and I were so excited to finally make the upgrade in our home with new window treatments, but it was really important to me that they were beautiful.
With full start-to-finish service, Graber offers premium, quality, innovative custom window treatments for any decor or style. This best-in-class experience is paired with on-trend designs and innovative technology to help consumers find the right solution for the needs of their space.
Custom window treatments can change the entire look of your room, including the aesthetic. Think about color, texture, pattern are all things that can enhance the decor in your home. So it's not just about energy efficiency, privacy, and light control. It's about the design of the product and how that enhances your space.
I love when I'm in the kitchen, I can adjust the light with the ultralight system. It's so easy.
Well, when we found Graber, some of the main features were eco-friendly, number one, because it helped to save on energy in the house. Number two, design and functionality.
Layered shades are bands of fabric that overlap each other. And so when the homeowner is using the shade, they can choose to have them in an open position, letting light filter into the room, or they can choose to close the bands, giving them privacy and light control. Sliding panels are also a popular option. They're a wonderful option for sliding glass doors because they slide from left to right as opposed to up and down. But they also come in a wide variety of fabrics that can range from light filtering to room darkening to blackout. And some homeowners need them in areas to get complete privacy and blackout. One way to enhance your home with innovation is to consider motorized shades. Motorized shades can connect to home automation systems like Alexa and Google Home, but they can also increase your home's energy efficiency and provide additional security because they can be programmed to go up and down automatically at certain points in the day or while you're away.
We were so glad that we got rid of the verticals. We didn't realize how dated they were until we had the new system put in. It was like night and day. After all is said and done as a homeowner, all these things were covered for us. It improved the value of our house. What's great, when I watch football on Sunday, I can pull the shades across and I don't have glare anymore. And of course, my wife loves them because at night we put the dark shades up and it's perfect for sleeping. But overall, it's the quality, it's the convenience, and it's the amazing property value we got out of this. I'm pleased.
Now that our new window treatments are installed, we couldn't be happier. Graber was the perfect choice for us because they gave us exactly what we wanted. We wanted modern design, we wanted them to look beautiful, and we wanted them to be eco-friendly.
Whether you want to enhance your home's character, improve comfort, or integrate smart home features, Graber offers a variety of window treatment solutions to suit your needs. Their commitment to quality, design, and sustainability ensures a variety of options for every homeowner. For more information on Graber custom window treatments, check out graberblinds.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.
If you live in a house with a living room, at some point in time, you, my friend, are gonna need a new sofa. Such is the case at the Visser home. And if Mrs. Visser, also known as Melina, is your BFF and you host Designing Spaces, naturally she's gonna call you. I mean, what are friends for? Let's get designing.
Hi, girl. What's
Hello.
up? How's it going?
I love your house.
Thanks. I know you do.
How long have we been friends? Can you remember?
20,
At least 25,
27 years.
And the last time we hung out, what did we do? Where did we go? What did we shop for?
Couches.
Let's talk about the couch itself. So I love this couch. It's getting up there in years, right?
Yeah, it's about 5 years old.
Okay.
It's getting a little saggy in spots. The biggest thing for me is the discoloration.
Yeah,
When
because you are fabric people, right?
Yes.
You love fabric couches.
But if you look, you can
how's it
tell
going?
that this cushion is a different color from this cushion because everybody always sits here and here.
Tim, your husband, he loves a recliner. Tell us your recliner
Well,
story.
that recliner nursed him through a heart attack and a subsequent heart transplant, as you know. So he spent a lot of time in that recliner.
And he likes a recliner in general.
He does.
And he likes leather.
Yeah.
All right, I have the list in my head, and let's get to it.
All right, let's get to work.
So, just for you, I have called in the big guns. This is Heather Bolick from Manway.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, Heather. Welcome to Designing Spaces.
Thank you for having me.
Welcome to my best friend's house.
Thank you for having me on behalf of Manoir Furniture.
Yes, Manway is one of the biggest manufacturers of recliners in the entire world.
We have what we call our built to last story. In our built to last story, we focus on a higher density foam that wears and lasts a lot longer, more resilient, the solid hardwoods in the frame, but also the cover. And we suggest leather. Leather actually has 4 times the life of fabric.
Wow.
However, ladies, it's not 4 times the cost.
All right, so what do the issues come down to when you get an older sofa? It's probably construction, right?
Construction is one of the 3 components. Certainly construction with the frame inside. Over time it can break down. The other thing is foam. As you can see, it's a beautiful sofa, but over time, then the foam can break down. It leaves a divot in the seat. You can tell you're comfortable seating where you like to sit. You know, you certainly experience many years of joy on this sofa. But the other thing is the cover. So the fabric cover over time can discolor, as you mentioned before, but it can also begin to wear down.
All right, so we have our list, and are you ready to go look?
I'm ready.
All right.
Let's get to work.
Enjoy shopping.
Thank you. So Heather sent us off right away to look at some Manway recliner options. The Vissers spotted this beautiful piece, fell in love, and voila, a whole new look for their already beautiful living room space. So ladies, before we talk about this absolutely beautiful new white sectional, Heather, I want you to tell us more about Manway because it's a name that we don't know by name, but we know it by quality and reputation.
You know, a lot of people don't know Manoir's name. We really like to focus the brand on the retailers that are selling it. However, Manoir's been in business for over 30 years. We're publicly traded, and we're also vertically integrated, which means that we bake our own foam, we make our own mix, so we're really, truly invested in the product from start to finish.
How does Manoir manage to put together a couch of this quality at a budget-friendly price?
We are vertically integrated, so we own the factory. We are able to procure raw material direct and also save a lot of those costs. And those cost savings we pass along directly to our retailers and therefore you, our end user.
What was it that made you finally take the jump into leather?
I think I'm finally done with stains and discoloration. After only a few years for it to discolor was really disappointing. I think I'm gonna have a lot more peace of mind on this couch, and I don't want to buy another couch for a really long time.
You can have a lot more glasses of wine on this couch.
Yes. You can make it as large or as small as you would like. It being fully modular, you can add seats, just like we're adapting to Melina's room. What we do differently is that we use a higher density foam so it lasts a lot longer. The other thing are our mechanisms. We use a higher gauge steel. By using a higher gauge steel, it has a higher weight capacity, so it's perfect for anyone of any height or any stature.
Let's check out some of the fun features. Why don't you try to sit down, have a seat. On the Tim aspect, because your husband has to be as happy as you, right? There we go. The recliner is really the most famous feature that Manoir is known for, Heather, right?
It is. So you can adjust to any position that you feel comfortable, which you look very comfortable right now. Here's the other feature, zero gravity. It improves circulation, it's good for your heart health, it improves your digestion.
Who would have known a couch could be good for your health?
And what about some of the other little features that we have here that are really functional and fun?
So speaking of, let's put the fun and functional. That's what we do with Manoir. First thing is we have a reading light. You have a storage console. This is perfect. We have a wireless charging pad, hidden cup holders. You still have the aesthetics of a beautiful sectional, but then you have the function and removable cup holders.
That's beautiful.
Dishwasher safe.
Yes.
Fantastic.
You went through so much with Tim and his health issue, his heart transplant. I think that you will really love the fact that Manoir loves also to give back in a philanthropic way, specifically in the medical charity space. Can you tell Melina about that?
I can. Manoir's involved with many organizations nationwide. Among them is City of Hope. And City of Hope is a national leader in cancer research. Actually, they have donated over $1 billion for cancer research worldwide and also diabetes. And I'm very proud to say that Manoir is one of City of Hope's 2025 Spirit of Life Award recipients.
You can feel good about sitting on this couch.
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Heather, where can we find out more about Manoir Furniture?
Online, so manoir.com. However, go to your local retailers.
Wonderful. And of course, you can always go to designingspaces.tv. Can I try the couch?
Come on
Have
over.
a seat? All right, let's go. Let's try it. I can't wait.
Best seat in the house.
Netflix and chill.
Girls' night.
Netflix and chill.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.